Hello, hello, good morning world. Ayan, mag-umpisa na naman ako mag-breakfast, guys. Ayan siya, guys, ang aking Junakis. Ayan, say good morning. Good morning. Ahong.
Good morning. Let's go eat.
Let's eat.
Yeah.
Good morning again. Ayan, guys, itong aming almusal. Spoiled na food, joke. Panis na food, joke lang. Ayan siya, guys.
No.
Tinapay lang sa akin. At sa kanya, yung Penoy bread. Ayan. Gusto niya kasi, guys, na isaw-saw sa coffee yung Penoy bread. Kasi na sasarapan siya, actually. Very delicious para sa kanya na yun. Kahit walang palaman, guys. Penoy yan. Kasi ang malambot siya, so ang ganda. Seem like gardenia din. Yan siya, guys. At ito naman ay akin. So, yan lang. Diet. Char.
How you supposed to eat?